My name is Freya.
My name is Shagun, and we are from fifth standard, and we are presenting and offering credit cards.
Uh, Offer means a reduction in the price of a product. It's a promotion or deal provided by the seller to to attract customer, encourage them to make purchase by the lower cost than the usual price.
Student, I will hold. Student discount, buy one get one free offer, limited time offer, seasonal discount offer for first purchase offer are also are the few examples of the offer.
Offering a free credit card is one of these offers. When you get a job in a company, the company ties up with the bank. Bank provides a free credit card. A free credit card has both advantage and disadvantage. Advantage: building credit history. Using a credit card responsibly can contribute to establishing a positive credit history, uh, which is beneficial for future finance endeavors.
Disadvantage, the interest rates. If the cardholder carries a balance, high interest rate can lead to significant debt over time. Thank you.